everyone, Namaskar. This is going to be the day 17 of the 30 days phrases challenge, and here I am going to teach you the 10 different phrases of meaning ask. When we are adding 10 preposition with the meaning of ask, it is making another but really interesting meaning, really interesting phrase each time that we can use in our day-to-day life conversation. By using these phrases in our daily life, you will be able to speak very good English. You will be able to be fluent in this language. Only this is how you guys can learn this language. Only this is how you guys can start thinking in English language. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the phrase number first, that is ask after. Ask after means होता है जानकारी मांगना. So by the examples you will be able to understand how to form the sentences. Okay, so example number 1, police asked after the thief about that incidents. यानी कि उस घटना के बारे में पुलिस ने चोर से जानकारी मांगी. Okay, so ये हुआ पहला example. This is how you guys can form the sentences. This is very easy. Example number 2, that is she asked after you when I spoke to him last night. जब मैंने कल रात को उससे बात की तो उसने तुम्हारे बारे में जानकारी मांगी. Okay, मुझसे. तो this was the phrase number 2 with the meaning of ask after, which means जानकारी मांगना. Okay, so let's come to the second one. The phrase number 2, that is ask back. Ask back, there are two meanings of this phrase. One of is जानकारी ask वापस पूछना, और एक होता है वापस जाने के लिए कहना किसी काम पर या किसी चीज पर. Okay, so we are going to take 2 examples. Why those examples you will be able to understand this phrase. Okay, that example number 1, that is he asked me back on that job. यानी कि उसने मुझे उस जॉब पर वापस जाने के लिए कहा. Okay, example number 2, that is he asked me back about that project. यानी कि उसने मुझसे जो है ना उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में दोबारा जानकारी मांगी. So these were 2 examples with the meaning of ask back. Okay, so let's come to the next one. Guys, the third one is really interesting that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation in a very easy manner. That is ask for the moon. Ask for the moon means होता है कि ऐसी चीज को मांगना जो असंभव हो. So let's take 2 examples. Example number 1, that is his wife always asks for the moon, which is impossible. Okay, तो जो असंभव है उसकी पत्नी हमेशा इस तरीके की चीजें मांगती है जो असंभव है. Okay, ये था example number 1. Example number 2, why are you asking for the moon? It is impossible. यानी कि ये असंभव है, तुम ऐसी चीजें क्यों मांग रहे हो, ऐसी चीजें क्यों मांग रहे हो जो असंभव है. Okay, so here I have given 2 examples with the meaning of ask for the moon. This was the phrase number 3. Okay, let's come to the next one. Guys, the phrase number 4, that is ask out. Ask out means होता है to invite someone. जैसे कि निमंत्रण देना भी इसे हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं. So we are going to take 2 examples. जैसे example number 1, he asked me out for the party. यानी कि उसने मुझे पार्टी के लिए न्योता दिया या बुलाया. Okay, so this was the example number 1. Example number 2, that is she asked him out for the coffee after work. यानी कि कार्य करने के पश्चात उसने उसको कॉफी के लिए बुलाया. तो यहाँ पर 2 examples लिए with the meaning of ask out. Ask out means होता है न्योता देना, यानी कि निमंत्रण करना, to invite. So this is really interesting, isn't it? We guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation phrases. By learning English through phrases is the easiest way to learn this language. Easiest way, and it will make your English advanced. It looks more formal. It looks more formal than others. Okay, so this was the phrase number 4. Let's come to the phrase number 5. guys, phrase number 5 that is ask for forgiveness, यानी कि माफी मांगना होता है. इसका सिंपल मतलब होता है ask for forgiveness मीन्स होता है माफी मांगना. ओके, so we are going to take 2 examples. Example number 1 that is he has asked for the forgiveness, यानी कि उसने माफी मांग ली है, उसने माफी मांग ली. ओके, number 2 there was news some days ago about the Home Minister Amit Shah. He said something negative about the great man, great personality, Dr. Ambedkar in the parliament. He said Ambedkar, 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 Ambedkar. इतने बार नाम लेने की जगह भगवान का नाम ले लेते तो स्वर्ग मिल जाता. तो he said like this. So people, the opposition has said to him that he will have to ask for the forgiveness. He will have to ask for the forgiveness in front of the public. जो उन्होंने कहा. ओके, तो क्या मैंने बोला इसमें? मैंने ये बोला कि कुछ दिनों पहले ये न्यूज चल रही थी न्यूज में कि अमित शाह जो हमारे गृह मंत्री हैं उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट में कुछ ऐसे शब्द बोले अम्बेडकर जी के खिलाफ. तो अपोजिशन खड़ा हो गया कि उन्हें माफी मांगनी ही पड़ेगी, उन्हें माफी मांगनी ही पड़ेगी. यस, he will have to ask for the forgiveness. Dr. Ambedkar is a great man. Great man. Yes, I really like him. I really like his thoughts. Okay. So this was the phrase number 5 with the meaning of ask for the forgiveness. Ask for is the phrase number 6 that is ask around. Ask around means होता है सबसे पूछना. Okay. Examples लेते हैं. Example number 1. I will ask around the people about the nearest hospital. यानी कि मैं लोगों से सबसे नजदीक हॉस्पिटल के बारे में जानकारी मांगूंगा, पूछूंगा. ओके, तो ये हुआ पहला एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 that is why are you asking around? Where is Rahul? No one knows about Rahul. तुम राहुल के बारे में सबसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? किसी को भी पता नहीं है राहुल कहाँ है. Guys, the phrase number 7 that is ask for the problems, यानी कि मुसीबतों को बुलावा देना. So we are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, he asked for the problems. उसने मुसीबतों को बुलावा दिया. Okay, so this was the phrase number. This was the example number 1 with the meaning of ask for the problems. Okay. Example number 2, why are you asking for the problems to call the uncle? यानी कि अंकल को बुलाकर तुम मुसीबतों को क्यों बुला रहे हो? Okay, तो here we have taken 2 examples with the meaning of ask for the problems. So this was the phrase number 7. Let's come to the next one. The phrase number 8 that is ask for. Ask for means so that to request something, यानी कि विनती करना किसी से. Okay, so examples there we are going to take 2 examples. You will be understand by the examples. You will get it. Okay, example number 1. She asked him for a glass of water. उसने एक गिलास पानी के लिए उससे विनती की या रिक्वेस्ट की. Okay, example number 2 that is I asked for the direction for the nearest hospital. यानी कि मैंने सबसे पास के हॉस्पिटल की दिशा जानने के लिए पूछा. ओके, तो ये थे 2 एग्जाम्पल्स विद द मीनिंग ऑफ आस्क फॉर. आस्क फॉर मीन्स होता है रिक्वेस्ट करना. ओके, फ्रेज नंबर 9 दैट इज आस्क अबाउट. आस्क अबाउट मीन्स होता है टू इंक्वायर समथिंग, यानी कि किसी के बारे में जानकारी मांगना. सो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, he asked me about राहुल लास्ट डे. यानी कि कल के दिन उसने मुझसे राहुल के बारे में जानकारी मांगी. ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, he asked me about the weather before planning for the trip. यानी कि किसी यात्रा में जाने से पहले उसने वेदर के बारे में जानकारी मांगी. ओके, सो यहाँ पर हमने 2 एग्जाम्पल्स लिए विद द मीनिंग ऑफ आस्क about. Guys, the phrase number 10 that is out on a date. Ask out on a date means so that to invite someone for a romantic relationship. ओके किसी को इनवाइट करना रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप के लिए, तो ये होता है आस्क आउट ऑन अ डेट. वी आर गोइंग टू टेक टू एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, ही फाइनली वर्कड अप द करेज टू आस्क आउट हर ऑन अ डेट. यानी कि उसने बहुत ही मुश्किल से साहस किया उसको डेट पर बुलाने के लिए. ओके सो ये हुआ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, दैट इज he nervously asked out her on a date to the nearest restaurant in town. कस्बे में एक नए रेस्टोरेंट पर उसको डेट करने के लिए घबरा कर पूछा. ओके तो ये हुए 10 phrases with the meaning of ask. Okay, here we have taken 10 different phrases that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how you guys will be able to speak very good English. You guys can speak very good English by using these phrases. This was the phrase. This was the day 17th of this phrases challenge that I have started some days ago, and that I had started some days ago, and this is the 7th day of this phrases challenge, and I will be continue till the day 30, because this is the 30 days challenge. I also have to even today I have to provide all the classes. Okay, so if you like my video, if you found something relevant, so please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. Have a good day. We will meet in another specific video. Bye bye.